Hi, welcome to KV's Plants and Orchids. This is another Syngonium I have. This is Syngonium longleaf. See the leaves which are very elongated, but it's also a Syngonium. It looks like a ball, you could see. This is little bit different from the other Syngoniums which vines. This is like small plants appear in the base. That is how it, because of that it looks like a ball. It belongs to the Podophyllum species of Aroid and commonly cultivated as a house plant. It is a flowering plant in the family of Araceae, native to tropical forest. Common name include arrowhead plant and arrowhead vine. It is actually this is used in ground cover because it multiplies in the base, no. And some of the Syngoniums are vining, that you know. I will show you that Syngonium Wendlandi, it vines. This won't vine, but this is also used in ground cover. This is also used in ground cover. And we will discuss about the general care of the plant. It like almost all the plant likes good drainage soil. So here I am giving it 50% cocopeat, 30% ground our garden soil, and 20% of vermicompost. This is how I have potted it. When I bought it, it was very small. Now it has grown this much, so I thought I will introduce you to this plant also. And watering is, you have to water every day during summer season. In the winter season, you can see how the top layer, because I keep them outside. So of course this is a indoor plant. Since it doesn't have that green color, it needs less sunlight to prepare its food for photosynthesis. So you can keep them indoor where it gets indirect sunlight. This type of plants, you keep them in direct sunlight, you will burn the leaves. So I keep them in shade where it gets sunlight, but now direct sunlight doesn't fall on it. That is why it looks, see, the leaves doesn't have any damage. So if you keep in direct sunlight, you will damage the leaves. Beautiful leaves, see the leaves. So you have to be very careful to keep them where there is no direct sunlight. And this is an indoor plant. It's an air purifying plant. All Syngonium varieties are air purifying plants only. It filters the formaldehyde, saline, all those gases which comes out of AC and other things from our house. So we keep them in as purifying for the air purification inside the house also. But for that you need to keep many plants. A single plant cannot do much, but this also it is good to keep many plants to purify the air. And this plant is poisonous to pets and children, so you have to be very careful. And then the propagation of this plant is, this plant has to be propagated by dividing. I see here small plants appear in the base. So you can divide this particular Syngonium by dividing the plants. So whenever you feel like this is full, you can divide and make it into 2 or 3, whatever you want. It is not a vining plant, as I have showed you. I will show you this Syngonium, it vines. This is Syngonium Wendlandi, that is another Syngonium which I have in my collection. just for your showing. I am showing that plant, and there is this color of the leaves is towards the side there is some darker shade, and the center it has some lines. See, I don't know how to describe the leaves. It has its own particular way of coloration and the veining, and most of the Syngonium varieties are cultivated for its beauty of its leaves, and this is a native of tropical rainforest commonly. So it needs humidity, it likes humidity. If your area is very dry, then you need to provide enough humidity for the plant. If you are keeping inside, don't keep very nearby the AC and all. So, or if it is very dry place, then you need to give them humidity, provide them humidity trays or humidifiers. So, humidifier everybody cannot have, so it is better to go for humidity trays, when which the plant can be kept in a tray with little bit of water, and plant should not sit on water. That is why we keep some pebbles in it, and we will keep the plant on the pebbles, so that the when the water evaporates, it gives them a humid climate around this plant. Pest attack, I have not seen any pest attack. In case you see any mealybugs or something like that, you can always go for a neem oil spray. So this is the story about our Syngonium longleaf, beautiful plant. See how this is how it looks like. So only thing you have to be careful about this plant is don't keep in direct sunlight. Many people ask, can we keep snake plant and this type of plants in direct sunlight? Why you have to keep in direct sunlight? Because in direct, if you are having direct sunlight, you can have plants which need direct sunlight, like which flowers especially. Most of the houses have a problem of not having enough sunlight. So with those people, Syngonium is the best plant to keep. Syngonium, snake plant, even pothos, especially the neon pothos, you should not keep in sunlight. So since many people are asking whether I can keep this plant in direct sunlight, that is why I am answering this question. Don't keep these plants on direct sunlight. Hope you like the video about my Syngonium longleaf. The plant look like this. The Syngonium winter leaf. In the background you see the plants which I keep them inside for rooting, because it's little bit of shade is there. So outside if I keep some birds are there, they may just uproot it. So I have to keep them inside the garage. Hope you like the video about this plant. If you like the video, press the like button. If you are a first time viewer, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.